Hey guys, I want to show you how I bake this lovely banana bread. Trust me, with this simple recipe, you might never buy bread outside again, and it's very healthy. So watch till the end and let's bake this together. I'll start with taking my bananas, and I'm using 2 bananas for this recipe. It's not a lot, so just 2 bananas. You can have more if you wish. And I'm adding about 3/4 cup of sugar according to your preference, guys. I'm adding half cup of oil. You can use any oil of your choice, cooking oil of your choice, and half cup of water. You can use half cup of milk as well, and I'm just blending this. Make sure it is very smooth, and I'm going to be pouring this into my mixing bowl in readiness for my other ingredients. I'm using wheat flour, guys, so if you don't want to use normal all-purpose or normal white flour, you can switch to wheat flour if you want it to be more healthy and you don't just take the normal flour. So you can use wheat flour or you can use your normal flour. It depends on you entirely. Next, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm sprinkling some cinnamon powder as well, half teaspoon. I'm using milk here. Like I said earlier, you can use your milk liquid if you want, or you use your powder form. So I'm just mixing all this together to be sure that it is mixed properly, no lumps anywhere. Make sure you mix it very well so that by the time your bread has finished baking, you won't find out that there's powder at some point and there's the mix at another point. So I'm sprinkling some almonds here. Like I said, it's healthy banana bread, so I prefer using almonds in this case. You can use raisins, you can use any other kind of nuts you wish, but for now I'm using almonds. So next thing I'm going to do is to grease my pan thoroughly so that it doesn't stick to the pan at all. I like to grease my pan well, and after greasing my pan, I'm placing my baking sheet inside. And after doing this, I'm not yet done. I just like doing this method. I like going in again to still grease my baking sheet, even apart from greasing the pan, so that by the time my bread is baked, I do this for cakes as well, it comes out all, no sticking to the pan whatsoever. So I'm just pouring my banana bread mix into my baking pan in readiness to bake, and I'm going to be tapping away the air bubbles so that by the time it's baking and by the time it has finished baking, everything is well fused together. I'm going back with some crushed almonds again for the toppings. Like I said, you can use some raisins, you can use other nuts of your choice. And yes, after baking for about 30 minutes, this is how it has come out. Use a toothpick to ensure that it comes out clean. When it comes out clean, then your bread is fully and ready. So I'm just allowing it to cool, and after removing it from the pan, this is what we have. You can see how it looks underneath, no sticking to the pan at all, and this is how it looked when I removed it and I placed it on the plate. And I'm going to be ready to cut into it right now to see how well it has baked, to be sure that one part is not more big than the other. So I'm just cutting my slices of banana bread. My kids tell me that this is just cake, that I should not call it banana bread again, but well, this is how you basically bake banana bread. But if you call it banana cake, it depends on you, guys. And this is how it is. I wish you could taste it. It's super moist, not too sweet, very fluffy. It's just like cake, if you ask me. Yes, it's just like cake, but if you want to skip and you want to eat healthy bread, this is a very good substitute for you. And it's not too sugary. I used a little bit of sugar from the beginning because of the banana. So if you want to use less sugar, it totally depends on you. And so this is our banana bread or banana cake. This is how it looks. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this when you give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in some other time. Bye.